Hello, today we are starting up our sprinkler system. First we have to power it on. Now we have to open it. We need to turn on our water for our sprinkler system, so let's head down. First you have to turn on the water lever there. When you turn on the lever, water starts gushing out, which makes a lot of noise. That's normal, don't worry. I'm opening the water right here and right here. This is how it was last summer, so we took a picture of it so we knew how it needed to be. Now let's go test the sprinklers. Right now it's off. Now just set it to test stations and press this. What this does is it sets the sprinklers for 2 minutes to test if they work. Let me press and hold to start this. Now it's going to test. Now the sprinklers are working. This is zone 1. It's going to run for 2 minutes. We have 8 zones, and we're going to watch all of them. It's ended. Now the second zone is going to be over there. Never mind, it's in the front. Second zone's done. Let's go to the third one. The first time we're using our sprinklers in the season, so you can see there's a little mud. Just clean it up. Go for it. Make sure no water's leaking while it's running. And if it is, you might want to call those servicing guys to come fix it up. 1-5 starting. Then you can see mud on the sprinkler. You just want to clean it off. 6 starting. Zone done, 7th zone starting. Seventh is done, and the last and final zone is starting right here. All zones have been tested. Now let's go program sprinklers. Set it to auto run, and we set up a program for every day. It's going to run at 3 a.m. in the morning. Now that's how you set up a sprinkler system. You just saved yourself $50 to $75. Like the content, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.